So this thing is very, very important. If you want to manifest your dream life, manifest anything, this one thing many people miss out. They think that thinking about your dream life, constantly saying affirmations, this is all going to help. But they miss out one very important point. That is, you need a calm nervous system. A calm nervous system is going to help you in so many ways. Like, I can't count them. Once I learned how it feels to have a calm nervous system, I can't go back to not having a calm nervous system. Every time I feel my nervous system is not calm, every time I feel overstimulated, my mind is cluttered, I'm overthinking, there are so many thoughts coming, my body just feels restless. I just can't sit and do nothing. Like today only, I was feeling this. I was sitting in my mess and I had nothing to do but wait. But that waiting was feeling so restless. You'll have those urges, just pick up your phone, do something. Just being was feeling too difficult. And I felt that. And I knew instantly that my nervous system is not calm and I need to calm it down. You can feel the difference yourself. So I have figured out multiple ways to calm my nervous system down. You can try these and you can try to figure out what else works for you too. So for me, connecting to God, meditating, just sitting for meditation 15 minutes, reading chalisas. That's what I did today. I read chalisas, I did some meditation, and it could be a walk in nature, it could be just sitting and doing nothing. Now your nervous system will remain calm unless you make it overstimulated. And how do you overstimulate your nervous system? It's mostly, in my case, it's when I scroll something. Like today I was scrolling on a shopping app, and then the loop started, and after scrolling my nervous system was already not calm, and I was feeling that thing that I need to do something, I just can't be restless. Then I was opening Instagram, I just could not sit and rest. I watched a movie, my mind was not clear. Now let me tell you one thing. So when you meditate, if your nervous system is already calm, you will go in a deeper state, and you will, in my case, I may sometimes visualize my dream life. Okay. But if your nervous system is not calm, then meditation will put you in a calm nervous system state. So in either case, if your nervous system is calm or not calm, meditation is going to help you. If it's not calm, meditation will calm it. If it's already calm, meditation will take you even further. So yesterday, I did a lot of things that already made my nervous system calm. Like, listening to divine songs, Radha Krishna songs and all those things. And I did meditation. I did Nam Jap, Mantra Jap. Nam Jap and Mantra Jap is very, very helpful in this. And all those things. So my nervous system was already calm. I did a 15-minute meditation after the Nam Jap. And in